Have you ever wondered why you sometimes make choices that don't make sense? Like buying something you don't need, saying something you regret, or following your gut instead of logic? The truth is, your emotions are secretly driving most of your decisions, whether you realize it or not. In this video, I'll reveal the hidden ways your brain and heart are battling behind the scenes. And by the end, you'll understand why you make the choices you do, and how to take control of them. Stay with me, because what you learn here might just change the way you think forever. Before we can control our decisions, we need to understand the role emotions play. Emotions aren't just feelings. They are powerful signals from your brain. They can influence your choices, push you towards certain actions, and even override logic. Scientists call these signals affective states, and they impact every part of our life, from buying products to choosing careers. Researchers in psychology and neuroscience have found that emotions influence decisions through two main systems: the rational brain and the emotional brain. The rational brain analyzes facts and logic, while the emotional brain reacts to experiences, memories, and gut feelings. Often, your emotional brain acts faster than your rational brain. And that's why we sometimes make impulsive decisions, even when we know better. Emotions are triggered by many things: stress, happiness, fear, or even social pressure. For example, fear of missing out, FOMO, can make you buy things you don't need. Excitement and joy can make you act impulsively, while anger or frustration can push you toward risky choices. Recognizing these triggers is the first step to mastering your decisions. Your brain has a network that constantly evaluates rewards and risks. The amygdala reacts to emotional stimuli, while the prefrontal cortex tries to regulate your responses. When emotions are strong, the amygdala can hijack your rational thinking, making you act impulsively. Understanding this brain tug-of-war helps you see why some decisions feel almost automatic. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is your ability to recognize, understand, and manage your emotions. People with high EQ make better decisions because they pause, reflect, and don't let emotions control them completely. Simple techniques like taking a deep breath, considering consequences, and evaluating your feelings before acting can dramatically improve your choices. In short, emotions are powerful drivers of human decision-making. By understanding how your brain and heart interact, recognizing emotional triggers, and improving your emotional intelligence, you can make smarter, more intentional choices. Your emotions don't control you. They guide you. The choice is yours. If you found this video insightful, subscribe, comment your thoughts, and share it with someone who needs to understand their brain better. In the end, your emotions are not your enemy. They are powerful signals that shape every decision you make. The more you understand them, the more control you gain over your choices and your life. If you found this video valuable, there's more waiting for you. Explore more videos on this channel to continue unlocking the secrets of human behavior and psychology.